Hi, and welcome to another Sleepy Dog construction video. Look at this truck as he's coming down and watch his front bumper. There it goes. Boom, look at that. And look at the crease in the bumper. He actually bent the bumper, but they're used to tearing those trucks up, big trucks. And there he goes, and watch his tire's gonna start smoking in just a minute. And yeah, he's not going anywhere, but he's going to keep trying. Get this big front end loader, and they're going to give him a push. And look at the bumper on this trailer. You can see it's actually made to push. So he's going to give him a little push and get him where he needs to go. And there he is right there. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope that answers any of your questions. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.